Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. I wanted to show you guys my new apartment that I moved into. Now I would like to preface by saying that this is not my first, second, or third choice. This wasn't even a choice at all, to be completely honest with you. And if you watched one of my previous videos or vlogs of me apartment hunting, then you would kind of be like, why did you choose that one over other ones? I had my reasons. I kind of didn't really have a choice in the matter for those reasons. So yeah, I just have to make do with what I can and try to make this space into something that I'll love eventually. So I just had to go with it and have to look at it positively. So I will have future videos of me filming a tour of this place completely changed and completely furnished, but I just want to show you guys the before, so you know, just in case if there's someone out there that's watching this video and is also wanting to know what kind of changes that they can do to their place. If they don't like it, they can see a before and after and how drastically things can change, even if you are just renting an apartment. So yeah, without me blabbering on, if you want to see my empty apartment tour in Seattle, then please keep on watching. But before I get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe and push your bell notifications to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any of the social medias, I'll have that floating somewhere on the screen, as well as linked down below in the description box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Also, P.S. I did have a lot of sarcasm and attitude in this video, so I apologize for that, but yeah. So you first start off here from, this is the front door, and as soon as you turn to your left from the front door, you are going into the giant laundry room. It does have a lot of storage space. Clearly I have a box and a lot of things in here at the moment because I'm in the process of moving, but these are the washer dryer. It's pretty big. I do like that. Storage is something that I really need, and unfortunately I don't really have a big closet in my bedroom, so this is probably going to have to be my makeshift closet. I'll show you guys what I mean later. But yeah, so this is the ginormous laundry room, and then to the right you have the coat closet room, the linen closet, as you may, just a general basic linen closet that you usually put your coats in or in other storage or shoes. And then after that you have this little like walk. So this is the laundry room. This is the linen closet that I showed you, and that's the laundry room. And then you have this little tiny like entry area. I might put an entry table here, and then like my keys and just something really pretty and like a painting or something, or a mirror. I think it might be a mirror. But yeah, so you walk in this way and you are introduced to the kitchen. Now I will say this is not my favorite kitchen, but it will do, and I will change it and live through it. Okay, so so first you have this, we have a dishwasher. It's a little outdated, but we do have a dishwasher. I'm not so sure if I'll use it, but we have one. And then we have the two very shallow sinks. I don't know why they have shallow sinks, but that's just how it is. So this is the sink. And then over here you have the electric stove. I don't really like electric stoves, to be honest, but it'll do. And then you have the oven as usual. And then this is one of my least favorite section right here, and that's because, so this is our fridge, and I am not that tall. Okay, I'm probably like, I'm 5'1.5", and I'm taller than the fridge. This is not a mini fridge. This is a regular fridge that's in the kitchen, and I'm taller than it. So I don't know how I feel about that. But I mean, I guess the good thing is I can actually reach these cabinets and use them. Never got to do that ever, because I assume that fridges usually are taller than me. But it is what it is. So and then, so next to the fridge, come over here and you have this little tiny little room. So in the other units, this is like a pantry, but I didn't really like a walk-in pantry. I did not need or want a walk-in pantry, so I didn't get it. I got this one. So it does have a very, very outdated microwave. Like, this is very outdated, like ridiculously. It's not stainless steel. I had assumed that all of my appliances were stainless steel, but obviously they are not. But anyways, I was thinking of, I do get a lot of storage here though. So I was thinking of possibly making this like Dante's corner and having his like food, water bowl and stuff like that. So obviously I'll make it pink and girly over here with some paintings and stuff. And then he got this side. I have another little cabinet section right here. This might be my little Mercy Love Cafe bar area, probably. This is kind of cute. I did like this section because I do like to drink a lot of coffee. So all right, and then so this is the kitchen counter. Now this is a lot taller than most kitchen counters that I've seen. It's like comes to like my boob, like my under boob, and it's just really, really tall. So that's interesting. And then you come around and you have the big open space. So obviously you would put your like dining table, dining area right here, and then this over here would be like the living room area. The thing that I do not like about this is that there is a straight giant wall right here. That would have been amazing to have a TV, right? But no, they decided to put this thing. I don't know what it's called, but this thing, or the TV, on this shorter wall that's not even straight. So you're kind of like limited to like from here or here to like right here to put your TV. And it's like, why did you do that? Why can't you just put the couch right here and then the TV over here? I don't know why they did that, but they did it anyway. Now this apartment does have a balcony, but I'm not going to show that to you because I don't want you guys seeing the environment and figuring out where I live. So you come over here. So that was the entryway, kitchen, and then if you go through this little tiny cute little hallway, you will have the bathroom on your left and the bedroom on your right. So I'm probably gonna put a cute little table here and decor, and then like a nice painting or a giant mirror right here. I think that'd be really, really cute. So we're gonna go into the bedroom first. So this is the bedroom right here. It is a little bit smaller than I wanted and kind of like awkwardly shaped because of, as you saw in the living room, there's that little dip right here, and it kind of restricts what I can put in here. It's like, I feel like it could have been a lot bigger of a room if they just chopped off that little weird, like there's no purpose there, no purpose. But anyways, so you walk in, this is the only room that is carpeted, the rest is hardwood floors. You have the big window, which I'm going to try and not show you guys so you don't see where I live, but this is the light. I don't like the lighting in here or anywhere in this apartment, so I'm probably going to change those out. But this is the small storage space that I was talking to you guys about. So I do have a wall closet instead of a walk-in closet. The only issue is though is they decided to put a ginormous water heater inside of this wall closet. So now I only get half a closet, which is why I'm probably going to make that laundry room into like a ginormous wardrobe, which is, you know, perfect because it's like you clean clothes there, wash clothes there, and then you just immediately put it up into the little whatever it is that I'm going to buy to put in there. So yeah, I don't have that much storage in the bedroom, but oh well, it is what it is. So yeah, and then now I'll show you guys the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It does have the same countertop and cabinets as the kitchen, where it's like black and white. Obviously I'm going to definitely change this black countertop because I just feel like it's very harsh for the kind of style and look that I'm going for. Obviously it's very pink, that's what I like. Hello, that's me in the mirror. But you have I did want to make this bathroom a little bit functional in case my sister and I need to use it while we're moving. So I did put this like Halloween trick-or-treat towel. Obviously I will change it into a pink towel here in the near future, but for now this is kind of my like I don't care kind of towel, so because I don't like orange. So there's that. But and then I already put a Bath and Body Works hand soap. This is Toasted Vanilla Chai. It smells so good, and I have that right here. Obviously this bathroom is going to look very, very different as soon as I like decorate it or whatever. So, and then you have just the toilet, and I did put toilet paper because like I said, I wanted this bathroom to be usable. And then you have your bathtub and shower, extended shower, which I really like because my previous apartment didn't have that, so I had to buy one off Amazon and do all that. So yeah, I really like that they have that there. So there's, and then your pool, and then that's that. So that was my empty apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. I know that it's not the best apartment, but but I don't think it's the worst apartment. I know that there's smaller apartments, there's worse apartments. I get it. It's just it wasn't my first choice, and I am spending a pretty penny to live here, and in my opinion it shouldn't be the amount that it is, but that's besides the point because that's what you get when you live in Seattle. Okay, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment down below any pink decor ideas that you can think of for me to spruce up this apartment. Leave that down below because I will need as many DIY ideas as you can give me. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I cannot wait to see you guys next time.